Imagine doubling tool life while cutting costs by nearly half. Hyperion Materials and Technologies made this possible for a leading aerospace component manufacturer. Turbine and jet engine components must be precisely crafted to withstand high temperatures and harsh environments while ensuring reliability in use. Component manufacturers face immense pressure to produce precise parts efficiently and cost-effectively to meet OEM demands. Hyperion collaborated with a US-based manufacturer of turbine and jet engine components, which machines Rene 108. The goals were clear: extend tool life to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Hyperion proposed to bring tool production in-house using the high-performance Aerospace-approved H10F carbide rods. These high-performance blanks were crafted into 8-flute end mills to machine Rene 108 components with exceptional durability and precision. The results were outstanding. Tools made in-house with Hyperion's tungsten carbide grade H10F lasted 68% longer. With production costs reduced by 46% per tool, the manufacturer achieved greater efficiency and improved margins, resulting in $2.4 million in annualized savings on tool spend. This enhanced efficiency allowed them to deliver quality components faster and more reliably, strengthening their competitive edge and meeting growing aerospace demand. Test the performance of Hyperion's H10F carbide grade for yourself and explore how it measures up to your current tooling solutions. Contact Hyperion to request more information.